Hello everyone, welcome to the new N8N workflow. I'll show you how to extract info from a PDF, do OCR, and use this data based on our language model prompt, okay? So let's show you how to build this workspace. It's quite short and we'll basically create a form, alright? We'll start with form submission. This form will tell us, well, authentication isn't needed. The title, you can put whatever you want. Try to use the same text, so when we work together, you can use the same variables without confusion, use the same capitalization and so on. Well, we'll create an element called data and it'll be a file type, okay? It's a requirement. And what happens if I execute this step? This form will open. Wait, let's run it again. Let's see. Okay, there it is. This form opens called data extractor. Remember that title we set? Here's data extractor. Then it asks for the data element, okay? Alright, so we're going to upload that file, okay? This file is split into two parts. One uploads to Google Drive, okay? And this gives us a kind of backup of the file, okay? As you can see, it says upload file in the Google Drive account, okay? I named the file invoice, but we could name it anything we want, okay? Here we choose where we want it uploaded and so on. And then we have the option to extract a file, okay? To extract from a PDF. What will this be doing? It'll extract all possible info from the PDF, okay? The input binary field, where I put data with a capital D, caps are crucial, comes from the field name. Got it? Then we'll combine these two, alright? It's in combine mode, position, merging items by order and input number 2. What's this for? Basically, to unite all the info we've received here. Lastly, we message a model ChatGPT 4.0, the latest. This workspace says, using the provided input, extract and return objects in JSON format with this structure, okay? In this case, it'd be a date, email, client name, total, right? Why this data? Well, for example, what we're trying to do here is OCR on an extract, right? Like a bank statement, a tax form, whatever it may be, okay? We want it to give us this info already configured in JSON to later extract or use it. Let's click on Run Workflow, alright? Then we'll click Choose File, upload this file, and hit Submit. The file, which I'd like to show you, is publicly available online, and it's just a test, okay? It says right here, test business, see? And well, we just have some data and stuff here. Now, the process will extract all this data from the file. You see it, right? There we'd have the subject, title, producer, and so on. We'd have the text too, which is important, okay? Then we combine everything, okay? It gives us this result where we've tried to elaborate a bit more. Now let's message the model, alright? Once messaged, the model gives us this output here. In JSON mode, we'll see the role user here, okay? It shows the date, January 25th, 2016, the email, customer name and total are here, got it? Then we have the various lines and processes that occurred. I've added this code here, okay? Basically, it extracts how much what the charge is, right? Here it's 93.5. You can say if the charge is higher or lower, do something else with an if statement just to show this type of action is possible, and that's it. Simple as that.